I didn't see. It's okay. Hello.
Hello, how are you today, sir?
Good.
My name is Constable LeBlanc with Traffic Services. Just so you know, you do not have to talk to me or say anything, but anything you say can be used as evidence, okay?
Okay.
So the reason why you got pulled over is, yes, you did come to a stop for that red light, but there's 3 signs showing you cannot make a right turn at that red light.
Oh.
I'll get your license. Do you have the vehicle registration as well?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the driver's licenses, vehicle registration. Okay. So today, sir, I'm going to be issuing you a warning.
Okay.
It's according to Section 235 of the Traffic Safety Act. When you made a right turn at the red light where it's prohibited by the signs, has your information, vehicle information, my information at the bottom.
Okay.
It does not affect your license whatsoever.
Okay. Thank you.
But you do need to pay attention for those signs. You cannot make a right turn at a red light if there's signs there that says you can't.
Yeah.
Same thing if you're on a one-way, or if there's a sign that says you can't make a turn on the left way. Pay attention for those, because next time it will be a ticket.
Okay.
Okay? All right.
Thank you.
Be safe.
Wow. Okay.